This video is brought to you by WSGH News. How to log into Infinite Campus. First, open your favorite web browser. Here, I'm using Google Chrome. In the URL at the top, navigate to www.gallialocal.org. On the right-hand side, under Quick Links, click on Forms and Links. On the right-hand side, under Links, click Infinite Campus Parent Portal. Here, on Infinite Campus, you can click on Student or Parent Portal. Here is the logon screen where you will need to know the student's 6-digit school ID for the username. The password is the first name initial, followed by the last name initial, and the birthday. For example, TB071373. Once you are logged in, you can search for the student's assignments or grades. Thank you for watching this How To video from WSGH News.